Hi guys, welcome to today's video. I'll be reviewing the Oraimo Booming Bass wireless headphone. So without wasting time, I'm gonna go through the spec up front. As you can see, it has 5.0 Bluetooth 5.0 memory card support, aux input, and it also has LED light shows around the ear cups. And you also get 3,000 boom points when you get this wireless headphone. So quick rundown the features around the headphone. You can see it has strong bass, high definition audio, soft cushions, air cups, and flat full design with adjustable headband. So flipping it to the other side, you can see Oraimo and Boomplay. To the back, you can see two-face DBS and some quick spec about the wireless headphone. So without wasting time, I'm gonna unbox it right now. Sorry, I'm the only one recording this. I'm not at home, so I'm just trying to record this video on time. Sorry. Alright, now the first thing you see on the black box is the wireless headphone design with the LED strip. Okay, first thing is the Boomplay gift card, some quick start guide, micro USB cable, and some auxiliary cables. Alright, let me get straight to the headphone itself. Top of the headband, you can see Oraimo X blue Boomplay up top, and to the other side you can see the LED itself. I've actually unboxed this to check it out first before giving out my final review on it. So we can see that it has two microphones. One for the LED indicator, the USB input, the auxiliary ports, the mode switch button, the volume up or next button, and the power on button. And also we also have what's it called, TF card input. I noticed that the air cups are very soft, so I'm gonna power it on and pair it for the first time. Let me just place this aside. There's nothing else in box, so let me just put that one aside. Now let's get straight to the air cup itself. So I'm gonna power it on. Oh, you can hear that power on. So as you can see, that's gone into sharing mode. Now I'm gonna put on my phone. I'm gonna wait for it to turn on and search for the Bluetooth device. You can see BoomPop. Pair. So that's successfully paired with my phone. So I'm gonna try and play music for my phone. As you can see, immediately I start playing music, the LED light comes on, and I can pause it right here. Just watch. It's gonna go off. Yeah, it's off right now. So if I continue playing the music, it comes back on. Now to switch off the LED light, you have to hold the mode switch button. The music is still playing here. So to switch it back on, you have to hold the switch mode button. So it's back on. Alright, to increase the volume, just watch my phone. You only tap it once. And the headphone also supports assistant like your Google Assistant or Apple Siri. To trigger it, just double tap the mode button twice. Hey Google, what's today's weather like in Lagos? Oh, I'm out of data. My data isn't switched on, so it won't work. So I'm gonna cancel it for now. Alright. So guys, I've tested out the BoomPop headphone for a day, and here is my final conclusion about the headphone. So flipping to the other side, you can see this particular part. Look as if it is metal, but actually it's not. Actually plastic painted to imitate metal. And the quality, yeah, the build quality is all made of out of plastic, yeah. And if you want something premium, you can at least go for other headphones out there. But for the price and build quality, well, I'll give it 8/10. It's quite nice, sturdy, and be careful not to drop the headphone because it might break easily. And I've also tested out the headphone with gaming, and here's the good news about it: it works fine. But I also noticed something strange about my headphone. Like for example, yeah, this is the right air cup and the left air cup. So I have this app. I used to test headphones, and every time I get a new headphone, that's it. Okay, let me see if I can get this sound. All right. So what this does is that it's actually used to know which of the air cups is the left and which of them is the right one. So after using this app, I noticed that the right hand side was the left and the left hand side was the right. I only noticed that using Bluetooth, but when I'm using auxiliary cable, like it switched back to left and the right switched back to right. Probably the fault might be from my own unit. I don't know if you get this. The fault might be from the Bluetooth or the soldering point. But either way, the headphone works fine, and I would recommend you to get this. So yeah, that is all for my unboxing and short review. Thank you very much. And if you do enjoy this video, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Thank you very much. Goodbye.